Good afternoon, everybody. Captain Namco here, and we're doing a video on my friend's Kirby Avalir from August of 2017. Runs really nice for its age. You know, it's got some, common marks and scuffs on it from, wear and tear. Alright, y'all, drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for more videos. I'm your host, Captain Namco, saying thanks for watching, and I will see you right back here next time. And until then, before I let you go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you, and have a great day.